Alright everybody, welcome to the Ladies of Justice League YouTube channel. Here we have the wall of why. What is your why for having your business, earning extra income? And then my number one down here is choice, meaning to have the ability to choose what you do, where you do it, how you do it, with whom you do it. So travel, visit family, take a nap if you wanted to, whatever you want to do. Choice is a time and money freedom. And then we have either my why is to retire my mom and be there for my children, just be someone they can be proud of. The other one, same thing, a lot of family. My why is to have a legacy for my daughter and helping others. This one says my why is to empower people, mostly immigrants, to thrive, believe in themselves, and walk in purpose. I do it for legacy, freedom, and to show them what is possible when you don't settle for less. If I can do it, you can do it. Everybody, go to ladiesofjusticeleague.com for more tools and strategies, save you time, make you more money. Have a great day. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on our YouTube channel. Have a great day.